In this video, I want to show you how to reset and program your Braeburn thermostat. So here I have the Braeburn 2020 NC model. So if you have this one or other similar ones, you want to follow my instructions here to reset and program your thermostat. So you want to do this especially if you've just moved into a new house and you want to change your settings. Maybe you want to remove your current settings and of course change your program. So to reset this thermostat, what you want to do first is to get a pin. You want to get a pin like this or a pen. So there's a pin hole right here and this is the reset hole. So you just want to get this inside and press it. Okay, so that's it. The screen is going to go blank and then become fully populated, and that means the reset is complete. So that's how to reset your Braeburn thermostat. So after the reset, the first thing you want to do is to set your day and time. You want to make sure you set your day and time correctly. So you want to come over here and press the day and time button. Okay, so now you can see the time flashing. So now you can use the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your time. So we're going to start with the hour. So you can see it's changing, and you can press and hold it to get it to move faster. So once you're done with the hour, you want to come back here and press the day and time button again. Okay, now you can see the minutes flashing. So use these buttons again to adjust the minutes. And once you're done, come back here and hit the day and time button again. And now you can see the day flashing. So you want to make sure you set the correct day for the week, okay? So once you're done with this, you want to hit the return button. This is it right here. So that's how to set your day and time. So the next thing we're going to do is to set a program schedule. So I want to show you how to set a 7-day program schedule on this thermostat. So to do this, the first step is to press and hold the program button for 3 seconds. So press and hold it. Okay, so now you can see the time flashing, and of course you can see the 7 days of the week, and of course we're going to be setting for morning. So what you want to do next is to come over here to the system switch. If you want to set for heat, push it this way, and for cool, push it this way. So first we're going to start with setting the time. So use the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your time. So you can see it's changing. Okay, and once you're done here, come back here and hit the program button. Okay, now you can see the minutes flashing. So use these buttons again to set your minutes. And after this, come back here and hit the program button. And now you want to set the temperature. So use these buttons again to set your temperature. Okay, and once you're done here, come back here and hit the program button. So now we are setting for day, and you can see the time flashing. So set your hour, and now hit the program button, set your minutes, and once you're done here, hit the program button. So you want to set your temperature. Okay, and once you're done, hit the program button again. So now we are setting for evening. So you want to use the arrow up and down buttons again to adjust your time. And once you're done, hit the program button to set your minutes. Okay, and now hit the program button again. Okay, so set your temperature for evening. Alright, and once you're done here, you want to hit the return button. So that's it. So that's how to reset your Braeburn thermostat and set the program schedule. And if you want to set a temporary temperature to override your temperature program, what you want to do is to hit the hold button here. Okay, now you can see hold on the display. So you can use the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your temperature. Okay, so that's how to set a temporary temperature, and this hold on your display is going to keep your current temperature indefinitely. So that's how to overwrite your program schedule and set a temporary temperature. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how to reset this Braeburn thermostat, set a program schedule or set a temporary temperature. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.